The 46th Avenue Murphy Road Roundabout converted an existing signalized intersection that was in the Sylvan Park neighborhood in Nashville. And this kind of brought together the neighborhood. Previously, there wasn't many sidewalks and there wasn't good access for neighbors to get to businesses and to restaurants. And what this project did was added some sidewalk and some streetscaping, and really took this kind of outdated intersection and brought it up to modern standards and added a roundabout, which helped with the traffic flow through the area and was able to slow cars traveling through the intersection down. So it gave it more workability with the pedestrians in the area. So the 46th Avenue and Murphy Road Roundabout kind of took some of the historical aspects of the neighborhood, and by that I mean there's some historical walls and landmarks that have been there for many years, and we've incorporated that into the design and kind of kept that old feeling, and as well brought in some new elements to the design to kind of bring the characteristic of the old neighborhood in with what the neighborhood is becoming, and kind of make a seamless transition between the old and the new. There's a historic wall for the entry to the golf course there, and the wall's been there for many years, and in meeting with the neighbors in the neighborhood, they really wanted to be able to keep that wall because many of them really enjoyed looking at it, and so we were able to incorporate that into our design for the roundabout. So the development team for the project, our primary project lead was Metro Public Works, and throughout the course of the project, they were able to incorporate Metro Water Services and get them involved in the design, so they were able to add aspects of an upcoming water line replacement project into our design project. They were also able to work with Metro Parks Department, who had a project going on nearby, and incorporate those projects together, and so that the area was under construction only at one time, but accomplished many different projects in the course of the same construction phase. We met with the neighborhood many times during the planning phase of the project, and one resounding thing they needed was more sidewalks and more walkability. The previous landscape had some sidewalks here and there, but it was mainly a car-heavy area. At the same time, many of the business owners in the area wanted more parking for their establishments, and so we were able to kind of work with both sides of that, and we've added many more sidewalks than there were before, as well as added more on-street parking and a new parking lot in the area, which we're able to give the neighbors the ability to walk to the businesses and the businesses the ability to expand their parking. At the same time, the intersection was somewhat of a dangerous intersection before and kind of functionally obsolete, and so bringing the roundabout was able to help with the safety of the intersection as well as the functionality of the area.